welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma and today I'm going to trade with OTC currency pairs. I already told you about this. We already traded with the help of them, and you remember that when the exchange is closed, it's the night time or the weekends, we can have only OTC currency pairs. And some persons have questions about trading with OTC currency pairs, kind of how to trade correctly, how to open transactions safely, and is it okay to apply technical analysis for that. So I'm gonna show you everything, and I will tell you that technical analysis is the best idea for trading this way. But if you want to learn more about the trading in general, about the trading with OTC currency pairs, with usual currency pairs, without technical analysis, I am inviting you to my Telegram chat. It is closed, but you can easily join it. You just need to come to my Telegram. You will find the link in the description under this video and write me the code word private in the personal messages. I will add it to my private chat and you will be observing all the information that you can find there. Besides, I have a Telegram channel with the reviews from the people who are already members of this private chat, so you can find this Telegram channel also and read all the reviews yourself. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and we're ready to start our trading. Well, hi everyone, today we will be trading with OTC currency pairs. You know that the exchange is closed now and the usual currency pairs are not available, so we will start with $1 and my goal is for $5,000. So guys, let's start and open the first station. Well, here you can see the resistance level and you can see the price touch this level, then bounce down, and after a while the price has been moving to the resistance level again. So right now the small flat is happening and the price is at the lower zone of this range. I think that very soon the price will keep on moving to this level and then break this level through. So let's open a trade with for 3 minutes. I think the price will keep on moving from this point, and this time will be quite enough for this rotation. So guys, let's wait and see what can happen. Well guys, it's very good. The price continued moving up and we have got the profit. So it's a very good start. Let's find another situation. Well, here you can see the support level, and as well there was the very good downward movement. The price touched this level, then bounced up. So, and after this rollback, the movement down is going on. So let's open a trade with down, because I think this level will be broken through very soon, because the potential for a decrease is very good here, and I'm waiting for the breakthrough. Well, I like it. As you can see, the price really has continued moving down and then broke through the support level, and I have got a very good profit, and this time was enough here. Well, here you can see that there was a downtrend. It was quite good. Then price touched the support level and there was a small rollback, and after that the price impulsively moved to the support level. It's been sticking to the level, and it means that this level will be broken through very soon. We need to open a trade with down, so let's check what can happen. Okay, the price broke through this level and then went down very confidently, and I have got a very good profit. So let's continue. Well, here you can see the support level again, and anyway you can see the downward movement and the price maximum is getting lower, so it's been sticking to the level again. So here we need to open a trade with down for 3 minutes, because I think the price will keep on moving down and maybe this level will be broken through. So let's wait for that. It's excellent. The price continued moving down, then the level was broken through, and right after this there was a rollback up, but we closed our trade profitable and we got it. So let's continue. Well, here you can see the very good uptrend. The price touched the resistance level, then there was a pull back down. So, and after that, the price is again moving to our level. It's been sticking to the level again. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up here because it will be with the reserve time. I'm expecting a small flat or maybe a roll back down, and after that, the upward movement will continue. So let's check it. Well, guys, it's excellent. There was the roll back down. I assumed that, and after that the upward movement continued and we closed our trade profitable and we got our profit. So guys, here you can see the resistance level and you can notice the upward movement happening and you can pay attention to it. There was a small flat and right now after the accumulation the price is exiting out of this range. So in this situation we need to open a trade with up for 3 minutes because the price will probably continue moving to the resistance level because the price has a very good potential for an increase here. So right now the price is exiting out of these flats. So let's check it. Well, it's good. The price continued moving up, then broke this level through, so the profit is ours, and 3 minutes were enough for this. So let's continue. Well, here you can notice the support level and you can see that after the roll back up the price has been moving to this level and the price maximum is getting lower and it's been sticking to the support level. So right now you could see the small roll back up, so here we need to open a down trade for 3 minutes. I think that the price will continue moving to this level and then break this level through. Well, it's quite good. The price really continued moving down, then broke this support level through. We got the very awesome profit, so 3 minutes were enough for this. So let's continue. Well, you can also see the uptrend here and you can see the resistance level as well. The price touched this level, then bounced down. I think that after this rollback, the price will continue moving up to the resistance level and after that, this level will be broken through. So let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes because I can see the potential for an increase is very good and also we can expect the small flat, but after that, the movement will continue. Well, guys, it's quite good. We got on a small flat and after that the price continued its movement to the level. So we closed this trade profitable and got our good result. So the resistance level was broken through and we can continue and find another situation. Well, here you can see the support level and you can notice the downward movement is happening and the price maximum is getting lower. It's just sticking to the level. So right now you can see from the support level there is a small rollback up happening. Maybe the price will bounce to the line of an uptrend and after that the movement will continue. So let's open a trade for 5 minutes with down because I'm expecting another rollback up and after that the downward movement will continue and the support level will be broken through. Well, guys, it's excellent. As you can notice, the price really continued moving down and broke this level of support through. We got our profit and it's very, very awesome. So let's continue and find another situation. Well, guys, pay attention to the resistance level and right now you can see the price has been sticking to our level and the breakout is going to happen. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with up because the price is impulsively breaking this level through. So we will get to this impulsive breakout of the level. So guys, and we will have this 1 minute and it will be quite enough. Well, it's excellent. The price really broke through this level, then went high, and we got the profit. So let's continue finding another situation. Well, it's again the resistance level you see, and right now there is the very good upward movement. The price has been moving quite confidently, and I think very soon it will continue moving to the resistance level. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with that, because I think this time will be quite enough for this situation, and the price is quite impulsive in its movement, and this level will be broken through. But anyway, I'm putting 2 minutes because I can expect a small rollback down anyway. Well, guys, it's quite interesting. After the rollback down, the upward movement continued, and then this level was broken through. We got the profit, and this time was enough for that. So let's find another situation. Well, here you can see the resistance level, and the price already touched this level. There was a rollback, and after that the price has been moving to our level. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with that, because the price is starting to break the resistance level through. So I think the price will continue moving to this level, and this time will be enough for that. So maybe we will get into the impulsive movement. So let's check it. Well, it's quite good. The price continued moving up, then broke this level through. So the profit is very awesome from this situation. Well, let's continue. Here you can see the resistance level, and right now the price has been sticking to this level, and after the small rollback the price is again moving up. So very soon this level will be broken through. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with that, because I think during this time this level will be broken through. Let's check it. Well, guys, it's great. There was a rollback down, and after that the upward movement continued. The resistance level was broken through, and we got the profit again. So let's find another interesting situation for trading. Well, here you can see there was a very good downtrend, and here you can see the support level. The price touched this level, then there was a small rollback up, and after this the price is again moving to our level. It's kind of sticking to the level here, you can see, and right now the price is bouncing up a little to the upper point of this price range. The price has been moving in this range, so very soon this level will be broken through. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with down, because the price will probably move to the support level and then break it through. So let's check it. Well, it's quite good. The price continued moving down, and we got the profit. 3 minutes were enough for this. So this level hasn't been broken through yet, but we can watch only the false breakout. But I'm sure this level will be broken through completely very soon, because I can see all the situation is about this. So we can open the next trade here again. So let's do it for 2 minutes, because 2 minutes will be enough for this, and the price will break this level through. So let's wait for the end of this trade and check what can happen. Well, it's very good. The price broke through this level, then there was a roll back up, then the movement down is going on. So you can see this time was very good enough for this situation. So you can notice that our deposit is $3,000, and I think we can open the last trade for today. So let me find something suitable for that. Well, guys, I divided the chart to the left, and I'm setting the level due to the upper values of these candlesticks. So it will be the resistance level. So let's come back to the beginning of our chart, and here you can see there was a very good uptrend. So right now the price came to the resistance level and stick to that. So the price had been moving in this range, but without a rollback, only wicks going beyond the level, and I think very soon this level will be broken through. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with that. I'm sure this time will be enough for this, and the price will break this level through and go higher. Well, guys, it's amazing. The price continued its moving up and the resistance level was broken through, so we got the profit. Our deposit is $4,600 and I can't stop for today because this sum is very excellent. All the citations today were profitable. We got the excellent result and the OTC currency pairs are okay for technical analysis, so you can trade with them without any problem at nighttime or at the weekend, anytime you wish. Well, now you can see that trading with OTC currency pairs is absolutely safe and you can do it yourself. Just apply the technical analysis correctly, try to find the similar citations that you've seen in my videos and try to work them out. I'm inviting you again to my private chat in Telegram. You just need to write me the code word private into my personal messages and I will add you there and you will get the access to all the information about trading, to the trading signals, and you will find it useful for yourself and it will bring you to the results. Very good results in trading, I'm sure. And of course, I'm waiting for your subscribing to the channel. Put a like, write a comment, and I'll see you next time.